She came in like a wildfire, talking fast and burning bright, laughing loud, telling stories that could carry through the night. Strong as Carolina oak trees, soft as summer rain that falls. She's the kind of woman I remember every time she calls. She's got miles behind her footsteps, raising kids and holding ground, working hard, standing steady, never asking for a crown. She's a storm and she's a sunrise, she's a whisper and a blow, and she's got a way of lighting up the dark I didn't know. She walks like a wildfire, talks like a runaway train. She can lift me up to heaven or break me with her name. She's a spark in the silence, she's the truth I can't let go, and she carved her name forever in the chapters of my soul. She talked me through my heartache, she'll talk me through my fear. She'll talk until the weight I carry somehow disappears. She's a fighter and a mother, she's a woman made of steel, but underneath the armor is a softness I can feel. I've seen her in her quiet, I've seen her in her fire, I've seen her hold her world together even when the day gets dire. And I'd give her every sunrise, every song I ever wrote, just to hear her say she felt it in her chest and in her throat. She walks like a wildfire, talks like a runaway train. She can lift me up to heaven or break me with her name. She's a spark in the silence, she's the truth I can't let go, and she carved her name forever in the chapters of my soul. And if she ever needed shelter, I'd be standing in the rain, I'd be holding up the sky for her, I'd be taking on the strain. 'Cause she's the kind of woman who could save me with a word, and I'd carry every moment like the best I ever heard. She walks like a wildfire, talks like a runaway train. She's the kind of love that lingers even when she's miles away again. She's the echo in my heartbeat, she's the story I still hold, and she'll always be the wildfire burning deep inside my soul. Yeah, she's the kind I won't forget, no matter where I go. She's the wildfire that found me down on a rocky branch lane.